Picking the right roof for your home is way more complicated than just grabbing the best one you see online, because every roof type works better for different needs and places. So, here's the deal. First, think about your local weather. If you get tons of rain or snow, you want materials that can handle that without getting messed up. Next, check your roof structure because some materials are heavy and might not be safe for every house. Don't forget about energy efficiency. Lighter colors like white TPO membranes can help keep your home cooler and save on bills. Also, consider how easy it is to install and maintain. Some roofs need special tools or skills, so budget for that. If you want something that lasts long and doesn't need constant fixing, built-up roofs are solid but kinda old school and tricky to install. Single-ply membranes like TPO or PVC are getting popular because they're easier to work with and offer good durability. Always ask for a pro's opinion. Roofers or engineers know the nitty-gritty and can match your roof choice to your home's specific needs. Finally, keep your budget realistic. Going too cheap might mean more repairs down the road. One of the biggest mistakes people make when choosing a roof is ignoring local climate conditions. Picking a material that doesn't hold up in your weather can lead to leaks or damage fast. So fix that by researching what works best in your area or asking a local expert. Another common problem is not checking the roof's structural capacity. If your house can't support a heavy roof, you'll end up with costly repairs or safety issues, so get an inspection before buying materials. Third, people often skip thinking about maintenance costs and ease, which means they get stuck with roofs that are expensive or annoying to keep up. So choose materials known for low upkeep or make sure you're ready to handle the work. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners because it connects you with trusted local contractors who actually know what they're doing, making sure your roofing project goes smooth from start to finish. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a great way to find real work and build your business with people looking for reliable pros nearby.